In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in QuickBooks Online on a computer. Let's get started right from your browser. Open your preferred web browser and go to qbo.intuit.com. Sign in to your QuickBooks Online account, and once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Click Sales, then choose Products and Services. This page is your central hub for everything related to your products, whether you sell goods, track quantities, or just want a clean list of what you offer. You'll see existing items here, along with their quantities, prices, and status. To add a brand new inventory item, click the New button and select Inventory. A detail window will open where you'll enter the key information that keeps your books accurate. Start with the item name, which should be clear and recognizable. You can add an SKU if you use internal codes. That's optional, but helpful for organization. Choose a category to group similar items, making reports and searches easier later. Next, set the initial quantity on hand and the A's of date. The A's of date should reflect the moment that starting quantity is accurate, often the day you begin tracking this item in QuickBooks. If you like, add a reorder point. This helps QuickBooks alert you when stock gets low. Enter your sales price, which is what you charge customers, and your purchase cost, which is what it costs you to buy or make the item. Finally, select the appropriate income account and expense account so sales and costs flow to the right places on your financial statements. If you're unsure which accounts to use, consider checking your chart of accounts or consulting a professional. When everything looks good, click Save and Close or Save and New if you're adding multiple items. If you need to update existing inventory, return to the Products and Services list, find the item you want, and click Edit. Here you can adjust the quantity on hand, useful after account, or refine details like price, cost, or category. When you're done, click Save and Close to apply your changes. To keep an eye on stock and value over time, go to Reports from the left sidebar. Use the search to find Inventory Valuation Summary for a snapshot of quantities, average cost, and value, or inventory quantity on hand to review current stock levels. These reports are great for planning purchases and staying on top of what's selling. That's how you manage inventory in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.